5 Best Portable Generators 2017. Number 5. Yamaha F1000 is 1000 watt maximum AC output or 900 watt rated AC output. Noise block acoustically designed sound reduction system. Long runtime, runs continuously for up to 12 hours without refueling. Smart throttle load sensing throttle control. CARB compliant. This item cannot be returned. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Ford FG9250E. 4050 watt or peak 3000 watt rated. Engine 208 cubic centimeters with 7 HP. 4-gallon tank with 11-hour runtime. Outlets: 2 a 120-volt 20A duplex, 1 120 or 240-volt 38 twist lock, L1430. Weight 103 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Anker Powerhouse. 10 million plus powered by our leading technology. Power supply for camping or emergency backup. Powerhouse boasts 12-volt car socket. Alternative to small gas generators. 400 Wh power supply on the market. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Honda EU 2000i. Ideal for TV or DVD, satellite, and more. 2000 watts, 120 volt, super quiet. Easy to carry, less than 46 pounds. Inverter, stable power for computers and more. Receptacles, 20 alternative 125-volt duplex. Weighs just 46 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Briggs & Stratton P2200. Clean and instant power to keep appliances. Important electronics powered during camping trips. 120-volt household outlets. "12-volt DC accessory battery charging outlet. Works with sensitive electronics. 2-year limited warranty. Please check the description.